What's good, Up Next family? It's your boy Up Next. I'm gonna come back with another video. Hey man, say man, look. Today I'm gonna be telling y'all how to get your dress like Playboi Carti like this. Time out. Didn't I just have this hairstyle a couple months ago? Exactly. Y'all just now to this video, man. Hit that like button for me down below. Hit that subscribe button. Turn on post notifications. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. Comment down below who y'all want to see next. Alright, getting straight into this video. If you know if y'all listen to Playboi Carti, if y'all seen Playboi Carti before he had this hairstyle, he basically had this hairstyle like my dress right now. All you gotta do is to get these is comb method. It's called the comb method, right? You take the back end of a comb and you twist your dreads, right? And then when you twist your dreads, like the first 2-3 weeks, you wear your do-rag just to keep them a little neat. That's how my dreads stay in contact, right? And then after, once I get tired of wearing that do-rag, bro, the do-rag coming off, bro. That's why my hair is like a little fuzzy. You feel me? But I'm not telling y'all how y'all should do it. I'm just telling y'all how Playboi Carti did it and how I did it. You understand what I'm saying? Because everybody's dress different. Everybody, either you like the you want your dress neat, you want your dress done every 2 months, like every month or two. You feel me? That's not me. You feel me? I like to just freeform my dress, even though they're not completely freeform. But man, if you look closer, bro, I don't keep my dress completely maintained. Like you see like crazy in. And I even got some dress that's like going to 2. You feel me? And look at this one, bro. You know what I'm saying? My dress are not maintained. Playboi Carti dress wasn't maintained before he had this hairstyle. You know what I'm saying? So I just told y'all how to get this hairstyle. Now I'm about to tell y'all how to get the current hairstyle he got right now, which is basically this right here, right? All it is, the only thing different about this picture is that his is dyed, mine's is not, right? So all it basically is, it's called the two-strand twist. Two-strand twist, all you want to do is two-strand twist your dress. Hey, comment down below if y'all want me to show y'all how to two-strand twist y'all dress. I did it before, but I feel like I can do it better now by myself. I'm gonna do it by myself, so y'all can, once I show y'all can probably do it at home by yourselves. So comment down below if y'all want to see that. But all he did was two-strand twist his hair. All I did was two-strand twist my, well, I went to a salon, I went to a lady, and she two-strand twist my hair. Once he unravels his hair, it's gonna come out crinkly and all that type of stuff. Y'all gotta watch my dread journey to see all the crinkly results and all that type of stuff. So y'all watching this video, make sure you go watch my dread journey. All he did was put it in the two-strand twist and dyed it blonde. All I did was put it in two-strand twist. That's all he did. And like I was saying, bro, like y'all don't have to do y'all dress like nobody. Y'all can just freeform your own dress. Like everybody dress different. I'm just telling y'all like how I got mine like this and how he got his like this. Like nobody's dreads is gonna be like exactly the same. Like your dread journey is different. You feel what I'm saying? But previously, before he had his dreads like this, like how the picture I just showed y'all, like all he did was let his hair grow on top. Like you see how like I got a look, but you see how I got an afro, like my hair is not even yeah, but I know I ain't had no cut. Like that's all he did, bro. That's all he did was keep an afro, like, and just let his dress freeform. Like, but people like me, bro, we really don't even care about haircuts. Like, I don't care about haircuts like that. Like, I'm confident in myself. I don't have to get a haircut every week just to make myself feel good. Like, but I know I look good without a hair. I ain't got a haircut in a month. I still look good. You get what I'm saying? So Playboi Carti, he probably don't get a haircut. Like y'all the only people who be like, oh, I gotta get this haircut to look fresh. Well, if y'all don't have no haircut, y'all be depressed, man. Just be yourselves, you feel me? Especially in this quarantine, y'all, like, just be yourselves. This is my dress. This is how I do my dress, right? And this is the same exact way Playboi Carti do his dress, bro. What we do is, what happened is, bro, you get your dress twisted, right? Once you get your dress twisted, the first couple weeks or so, you know what I'm saying, you wear a little do-rag. You know you want to keep that little fresh look in, right? But then after that, you just freeform it. You just let it go. You feel me? You don't go to bed with no bonnet on, with no hair scarf, no do-rag, no none of that. You know, so we just lay down. And what happens is the hair fuzzes up. When the hair fuzzes up, it kind of looks more wilder. It kind of looks, you know what I'm saying? But at the same time, it's all up to y'all, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying, oh, do this, do that. I'm telling y'all, like, this how I got my hair like this. That's how Playboi Carti had his hair before that picture right there. And a lot of y'all, most of y'all, like, y'all think y'all gotta do y'all dress a certain way. Y'all think y'all gotta get y'all hair twisted up by a sponge. Like, no, like, bro, like, how I originally started off these was a comb method. So all she did was take the back of a comb and she just twisted it, right? And then after I got my, like I just said, after I got my hair retwisted, all I did was lay down and I wore the do-rags for a couple weeks, and then I got tired of the do-rag, took the do-rag off, and it just started looking messy and stuff. Like bro, it's the way I rock my dreads, you feel me? So like I was saying, y'all can rock y'all dreads any type of way. If y'all want to keep wearing y'all do-rag, keep wearing y'all do-rag. If y'all don't want to wear y'all do-rag at all, don't do it. But yeah, this is what I was trying to show y'all before. Like, you know, like your dreads ain't gonna be perfect. Like, ain't no such thing as perfect dreads. Like, everybody got their dreads how they want their dreads. You feel what I'm saying? So I've been growing my dreads for how long? I think about 2 years now. You feel what I'm saying? And it's not even retwisted. Like, I still got like 2 months of new growth that's in my hair that I'm probably not even gonna get done until the summer. You feel me? So by then I'm gonna have like 3 months of new growth in my hair. And it all depends up to me. Like with y'all dreads, bro, y'all be asking me, yo, now how you do this, how you do that, how you get dreads. Look, bro, how you get dreads is you just do whatever method you want to start off with. You know what I'm saying? You got the towel method, you got the comb method. I started off with the comb method. You got the brush method, you got the sponge method. You feel me? So that's what it is, bro. You feel me? So there is no certain way on how to start off your dreads. Like, you do what you want to do with your dreads. You know what I'm saying? Like I told y'all, ain't nobody dreads exactly the same because we all got different stuff. We all do different stuff, you feel me? But I just told y'all how he got his dreads before. He didn't wear a do-rag like that, you feel me? That's how you get your dreads like messy and frizzy, right? But this time, like, he got his hair retwisted. He got it in a 2-strand twist and he got it dyed blonde. So yeah, that's how you do it. Make sure that like button, make sure that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. Comment who y'all want to see down below, and I'm gonna catch y'all for us later, bro. Peace.
Down.